The Chinese word for dragon, lóng, is one of the most iconic and revered symbols in Chinese culture. Unlike the evil and menacing dragons of Western mythology, the Chinese dragon is a symbol of the emperor's authority, blessings, and is associated with good fortune and prosperity. In ancient times, people believed that dragons possessed extraordinary abilities, including flying, expert swimming, and various other supernatural powers. Today, dragons continue to captivate the imagination of people worldwide and remain an integral part of many Chinese festivals, customs, and traditions. For example, during the Dragon Boat Festival, boats used for racing are called dragon boats longzhou, and during the Spring Festival, there are celebrations known as wulong, which means dragon dance. Moreover, the dragon holds a prominent place among the 12 Chinese zodiac signs, with the zodiac cycle repeating every 12 years. The year of the dragon is the 5th position in the cycle, and the next year of the dragon will occur in 2024. As the next Spring Festival approaches, you can express your warm wishes to your loved ones by saying, 祝你龙年快乐. I wish you a happy new year of the dragon. Dragons also appear in Chinese slang as well. One such phrase is 跑龙套, which literally translates to running dragon extras, and is used to describe playing a small, insignificant role in a play or movie. Understanding these slang expressions can help you gain a deeper appreciation of Chinese culture and language. Reach out to me to claim a free one-to-one online trial Mandarin class.